Hey, good people, it's Naila Morris, your realtor here in the wonderful upstate area of the beautiful Palmetto state of South Carolina. I am with the Legacy Experience Group, and we are brokered by Realty One Group Freedom. And it is a little bit afternoon, and we have just opened the home at 404 Lowndes Drive in Spartanburg, South Carolina. I just wanted to share a quick video of this beauty, inviting you all out to come and take an exclusive tour of this beautiful home. Look at this yard space. This is the front yard of this home, and let me just kind of go back, because at the very beginning of the property you could see the elongated driveway. Look at that driveway. When we talk about events and parties for the family and holidays, it all starts here. And so you've got ample parking. It's a 2-car garage. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, tri-level home, beautifully renovated. You will love it. On the market for a steal at $345, even $345,000, and it could be yours. And so come on over today. We'll be here until 2 p.m. So I'd love for you to come over, and I can take you on an exclusive tour of this beautiful home that can be yours today. And we are also raffling off some gift cards. So come on over, put your name on the list, and we'll be happy to give you a tour of this beautiful home. See you soon.